abashomesa ba science aba region ya Bushenyo kwiga government habya science no babire bari mu mpaka zebye mukonezi bira harmasheru kagaho senior secondary school muri Shema ezetaburwa mu mashomero ga senior ga Shema hamwe na Buhweju ahabwa beja bari kushoma science.
Ubumwe nushanga ngo ibite bibana bakora yiza byahika aharevo keji y'abantu byakoma konka ni nyongera kwiga government kugira ngo uko kweresere karicira mu agency kandi ekongera kugabana kujumure ibintu byinshi batongera mwakasente
bose bise byo na base kunga kunganya na ebo cyo bose kunsupport ngaho kora mu nyungu cyereka ngo nafu n'ibindi bintu kujya kubasa kunkwera gukora cyangwa ibasa gukora cyangwa cyangwa gukora mu bwendijo
hatwe manya ejonore je yakorecho ne basa gukora n'ikintu kibugane kai aharuguto, and that means we shall have very many around, and like those days of challenge they was special from wherever it was coming from, and then the whole village would put aside whatever would be our cousin baba tachinga.
Empakezi zibire muna bamwe abahanga hanjere ibintu bitari bumwe na bimwe nko gukora tractor ukombeka amajuga kanyina ukora bimwe habinte biri kubisa hamagara gabantu hamwe nebindi.
So from here do not sleep, even if you become the first here, the second, don't sleep. You might be the first one here, the second, then on 21st you go home with the last position. So don't sleep.
Problems of unemployment, we have environmental degradation, we have diseases, because I have seen some of you preparing medicine. So a number of problems are affecting our society, but we are failing to solve them because we think every solution must come from above.
Empakezi zebemberwa abashomesa barkwegitoro mu kibina echa sesemat. Umwana makuru abashomesa barkwegitoro mu kibina cyabe cya Uganda Professional Humanities Teachers Union besharinjire kandi bahize sabitiyo n'abatarukuza mu kibina kandi abantu bagira ngo inshonga zabo no butashashurwa kurunji
mbatugira ngo economy ya Uganda erya higura munonge tembire konkitwe twasigara hansi tutambura ni economy okwera kugenda inflation to kujibara umusharo go batirehe imyaka 10 hingwire na hatu nubwo turi kutunga kwande ibintu biko yongera higuru tukutembana ni economy.
Enough is enough. Salary apartheid in Uganda should be abolished. Teachers of humanity, we matter. Teachers of humanities, we matter. We also have children who want to go to school, but we cannot manage to pay for the school fees of our children.
Muchunguzi jiri ya soro coordinator nagira ngo President Museveni yabatakozere hanshonga zabo nibija kugumza munakesharingo
promising umwebembezo wihanga ngo yabatakozere ahabyetago byita ukutongera umushara mazima nkihanga ryona itento za kwegumira umukara
akesharinga ko bwatwaheze sabite kandi kagumiza mu mpaka President Museveni akozera hanshonga zabo. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ben Mozi na Richard Nahabwe.